Hello, welcome to my channel Yoga Nidra with Nea. This is Nea, and in today's Yoga Nidra practice, I will guide you through various layers of self, taking you towards a deep state of rest where you can experience feelings of peace and tranquility, gain access to the subconscious mind, and plant a seed of good intention. In this practice, we will also set off on a short journey to the beach, where we will open our senses, enjoy the cooling effect of the sea breeze, and the rhythm of the waves. I invite you to remain awake and aware through the practice, but if you do fall asleep, just trust that this is what your mind and body need at this moment. Let yourself settle in now. Take the time that you need to make sure that you are completely comfortable and supported by any pillows, blankets, or other props you may need. Let the whole body settle. You may close your eyes and invite stillness into your body, taking 3 deep breaths. Inhaling and exhaling, imagine that you connect to the earth beneath you. Let yourself achieve a natural rhythm, allowing yourself to slow down, deeply inhaling the pure and clear air, and then exhaling. Breathe in and out, gently, quietly. Now let your body settle into the floor, and once you are completely comfortable, imagine that you are drawing a circle of protecting energy around your body. You may create this circle around you out of luminous water, moonlight, or any substance that you feel protects you. Draw 3 protecting circles that cocoon you. You may feel cocooned by the presence of these 3 circles, instilling a sense of protection in you. Feel the connection between your body and the earth. Feel yourself grounding deep into the earth as you breathe in and out. Now invite your awareness to the center point between the eyebrows on the surface of the skin. Bring awareness to this point while you sense your surroundings. Let your body rest here on the floor in a cocoon of presence. And now let your attention drop down into the presence of your heart space. Imagine opening up your heart. Your awareness is the key to what the heart needs in this moment. Trust that your heart already knows what it needs as you welcome in your sankalpa. Sankalpa is a phrase that expresses an intention or the purest desire of your heart. Perhaps at this moment it is a feeling of peace or the intention to face all of life's circumstances from a place of balance. Maybe you are working with a particular intention already, or perhaps you try on the phrase, I am at peace with myself as I am, or simply, I am peaceful and calm. Whisper your intention of choice, one that serves you and resonates with you 3 times alongside 3 breaths. Embody your sankalpa wholeheartedly, trusting that it is exactly what you need right now in the present moment. I am at peace with myself as I am, or I am peaceful and calm. In the presence of the peace that you're cultivating, you might imagine your heart could inhale a sense of peace, exhaling calm, inhaling peace, exhaling calm. Now you might imagine, with each inhale, that you invite peace into your heart, exhaling tranquility. Inhale peace, exhaling tranquility. Now follow the guidance of my voice, imagining your attention rests lightly on each part of the body that is named. At each of these points, place a twinkle of bright stardust. The center point between your eyebrows on the surface of your skin. Place a twinkle of stardust on this point and continue to place it on the rest of the parts of your body. Base of the throat, twinkle. Jaw, twinkle. Tongue. Roof of the mouth. Teeth. Gums. Inside of cheeks. The whole mouth. Lower lip. Upper lip. Face. Right nostril. Left nostril. The whole nose. Feel the sensation of breath. Twinkle in the right ear. Folds of the ear. Ear canal. Inner ear. Listening. Left ear. Folds of ear. Ear canal. Inner ear. Listening. Right eye. Eyebrow. Temple. Cheekbone. Behind the right eye. Left eye. Eyebrow. Temple. Cheekbone. Behind the left eye. Point between the brows. Crown. Back of the head. Back of the neck. Inside the throat. Whole head and neck. Base of the throat. Right shoulder. Right elbow. Wrist. Thumb. Second finger. Third. Fourth. Fifth finger. Wrist. elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, left shoulder, left elbow, wrist, thumb, second, third, fourth, fifth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, center of the chest, right side of the chest, center of the chest, left side of the chest, stomach, navel, pubic bone, right hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, pubic bone, left hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, pubic bone, navel, heart center, base of the throat, the point between your eyebrows. Sense the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Feel your body shining at each point where golden stardust was placed, like a constellation of small twinkling stars. Sense your body floating in a sea of starlight. Your whole body is filled with this light. Now let your awareness rest at your heart, breathing in and out, gently and quietly. Deepen your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Now imagine that you are on a beach that is empty and quiet. This may be a place you went on vacation, or somewhere you have never been and would like to go. You are standing on the top of a wooden staircase leading down from the boardwalk to the sand. From where you are, you can see far into the distance, the empty sand, the sun rays shining on the sea, and the waves crashing on the shore. Sense the color of the ocean. It may be clear, soft turquoise, or dark blue. Begin to walk down the staircase towards the beach. With each step down, you feel yourself let go of all the tension from your body and your mind. Begin to count the steps in synchrony with your breaths, backwards from 10 to 0. Inhale 10, exhale 10. Inhale 9, exhale 9, and so on. Let go more and more until your body and mind feel at peace at 0. As you arrive at the last step, move onto the sand and walk towards the seashore. Look out to the ocean. While you are walking near the water, listen to the sounds around you and feel the sand on your feet. With each step, sense the texture of the sand. Feel the warmth under your feet and around your ankles. It may feel soft and sleek to the touch. Now you may walk towards the ocean, feeling a slight breeze on your skin. Bring your awareness to the sensation of drops of water on your face and your chest, feeling the humidity of the air and the scent of the ocean, the cool, salty scent. Let your breathing follow the waves, the surge as the ocean comes up. Focus on the waves crashing into the shore. Let the rhythm of your breath follow the rhythm of the waves, and breathe in with each wave that comes in, and exhale with each wave that goes out, breathing in and out. Now imagine that you find a perfect spot on the beach. You lay on the sand, and as you lay down on it, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, on your face, on your chest. Your arms and your legs feel as though they can melt into the softness of that sand. As you lay here, you feel completely peaceful. Any thought that comes into your mind drifts away like a cloud that floats through the sky. Remaining awake and aware, just let the thoughts drift away like clouds. And as you lie here, you feel completely at peace. Your mind is light and free. Your body is heavy and peaceful. Remaining awake and aware, continue to listen to the sounds around you. Listen to the ebb and flow of the waves as they come in and out. As time passes by, the sun gets warmer, and you feel this warmth all over your body. It feels warm and comfortable, not too hot, just right. Let the sunshine warm your whole body, and as you feel your body getting warmer, Sense your muscles loosening up. Your face, arms, and shoulders let go and melt into the sand. Enjoy the warm glow from the sun. Enjoy the sunlight through your closed eyelids. Begin to welcome the feeling of heat in your body. Bring attention to all the places where a natural heat is occurring. Feel all the places in your body where heat resides. Where is heat present in your body? As the sun descends further into the horizon, pink, orange, and yellow colors now tint the sky, the sun rays glimmering in the water. Every now and then, you feel a cool breeze blow over your face and body, refreshing your chest, arms, and legs. Now welcome the feeling of coolness in your body. Bring attention to all the places where a natural coolness is occurring. Feel all the places in your body where coolness resides. Where is coolness present in your body? Then welcome the sensation of heat again. Feel the heat in your body. Can you sense both sensations simultaneously in the body? And now feel the lightness in your body. Feel your body light as a cloud drifting through the sky, expanding and spacious. And now feel the heaviness in your body, tuning into the sense of weight of the body resting here. Feel your body heavy as a rock, lying on the sand. And now feel lightness. Feel your body expanding and spacious. Coming back to the feeling of heaviness. And now go back and forth between feeling light and heavy. And now feel them together. Sense both sensations simultaneously in your body. Both sensations simultaneously. Enjoy these feelings of peace and tranquility, and know that you can always return to this place in your mind. All you have to do is imagine this beautiful beach. Feel the weight fall off your shoulders. as you become lighter and lighter, resting back into the sand. Organically let it all flow back into balance, like the ebb and flow of the waves, the sunrise and sunset, the seasonal changes. Dawn comes after night, and spring after winter. I invite you to calibrate to the peaceful rhythms of nature. Find your way to balance and be free, resting back into spaciousness. Feel that you are presence floating in that space, and be free. Very gently return home to your heart as you call upon your sankalpa once more. I am at peace with myself as I am. I am peaceful and calm. Mentally whisper these words 3 or more times. Resting here on the earth, feel the weight of the body. Let yourself steep in the healing power of your sankalpa. Feel the effects of those words on your body, mind, and heart. Sense the mood they have created in you. Perceive the quality of how you feel within the nervous system and the mind. And sense what is around you, the density of the earth beneath you. Let yourself tune into your surroundings. Take a deep breath in through the nose, long exhale through the mouth. Begin to count your breaths backwards from 5 to 1. 5. Each breath welcoming a sense of awakening, as if your time at the beach has recharged all of your cells. 4. You may emerge back out and into the world. 3. With a sense of calm. 2. And peaceful connection to nature. When you arrive at 1, you are refreshed and ready to continue on with your day. It might feel nourishing to stay here a little longer while listening to Wendell Berry's poem, The Peace of Wild Things. When despair for the world grows in me, and I wake in the night at the least sound, in fear of what my life and my children's lives may be, I go and lie down where the wood drake rests in his beauty on the water, and the great heron feeds. I come into the peace of wild things, who do not tax their lives with forethought of grief. I come into the presence of still water, and I feel above me the day-blind stars, waiting with their light. For a time, I rest in the grace of the world, and am free. Feel the floor beneath your body and roll to your right or left side. Let yourself slowly come back from your inner refuge and welcome the peaceful feelings you have created within. While offering the fruits of this practice towards the healing of the planet and all beings, I thank you for allowing me to guide you. The divine light in me bows to the divine light in you. Namaste.